This is NOAA weather radio stations WWG27, WWG76, and WZ2540, serving the Big Island of Hawaii, and broadcasting from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Honolulu. The current time is 9:15 p.m. Hawaii Aleutian Standard Time. Typical trade wind weather is expected for most of this week, with moderate to breezy wind speeds and scattered showers focused over windward and mountain areas primarily during the overnight and morning hours. The exception is Tuesday into Wednesday, when a plume of moisture is forecast to move through, increasing windward shower activity. Trades will weaken Friday into next weekend. Here's the forecast for the following county: Big Island, Hawaii. Tonight through Monday night, windward, partly to mostly cloudy. Scattered showers. Leeward, mostly clear becoming partly cloudy with isolated showers in the afternoon and evening. Areas of haze. Highs 81 to 86. Lows 65 to 70. Trade winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Tuesday, windward, mostly cloudy, showers likely. Leeward, mostly clear becoming partly cloudy with isolated showers during the afternoon and evening. Areas of haze. Highs 80 to 85. Lows 65 to 70. Trade winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. New Year's Day through Friday, partly cloudy. Scattered showers windward becoming isolated showers on Friday. Highs 80 to 85. Lows 65 to 70. East winds 10 to 15 miles per hour becoming southeast 5 to 15 miles per hour on Friday. At 9 p.m., at Hilo, the sky was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 68 degrees. The relative humidity was 81%, and the dew point was 62 degrees. The wind was southwest, at 3 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 30.12 inches, or 1,019.9 millibars, and rising. At Kona, the sky was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 78 degrees. The relative humidity was 63%, and the dew point was 65 degrees. The wind was northwest, at 10 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 30.08 inches, or 1,018.6 millibars, and rising. At Bradshaw Field, the sky was clear, with a temperature of 47 degrees. The relative humidity was 73%, and the dew point was 39 degrees. The wind was east, at 7 miles an hour. At Kauai High, the temperature was 77 degrees. At the Mauna Kea Visitor Center, the temperature was 50 degrees. On the summit of Mauna Kea, the temperature was 28 degrees. Wind chill was 16. At Kahului, clear, and 73 degrees. At the Honolulu International Airport, partly cloudy, and 76 degrees. At Lihue, the sky was mostly cloudy, and the temperature was 73. Here are the buoy reports at 9 p.m. Wind speeds are in knots. Buoy 51101, wind east at 8. Buoy 51000, wind east at 16. Buoy 3, northeast at 12, 9 feet, 7 seconds. Buoy 4, wind northeast at 14. Hilo Harbor, wind calm. Buoy data provided by the National Weather Service and the Pacific Islands Ocean Observing System. The ultraviolet index for noon December 30th in Honolulu is 6. This corresponds to a moderate exposure level. Here are some wind observations at 8 p.m. Wind speeds are in knots. Hakalau, west at 2. Hilo Airport, southwest at 3. Pali, north at 10, gusting to 16. Kona, northwest at 7. Kauai High, southwest at 3. Kimoku, north at 7, gusting to 18. Pohakaloa Kipuka calm. Pohakaloa west, south at 5. Small craft advisory. The synopsis for Hawaiian coastal waters. Fresh to locally strong trade winds will persist through midweek as high pressure remains to our north. The forecast for Hawaiian waters within 40 nautical miles, including the channels. Tonight, east-northeast winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 9 feet. Wave detail, east 6 feet at 6 seconds and northwest 6 feet at 12 seconds. Isolated showers. Monday, east-northeast winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 9 feet. Wave detail, east 5 feet at 6 seconds and northwest 5 feet at 15 seconds. Isolated showers. Monday night, east-northeast winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 9 feet. Wave detail, east 5 feet at 6 seconds and northwest 5 feet at 14 seconds. Scattered showers. Tuesday, east-northeast winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 8 feet. Wave detail, east 5 feet at 7 seconds and northwest 5 feet at 13 seconds. Scattered showers. Tuesday night, east-northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 6 to 8 feet. Scattered showers. Wednesday, east-northeast winds 10 to 15 knots to Hawaii, east 20 to 25 knots elsewhere. Seas 6 to 8 feet. Scattered showers. Wednesday night, east winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 7 to 10 feet. Isolated showers. Thursday, east-southeast winds 10 to 15 knots near Kauai and Oahu, east-southeast 20 to 25 knots elsewhere. Seas 8 to 11 feet, subsiding to 7 to 9 feet. Isolated showers. Friday, to Kauai, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Elsewhere, east-southeast winds 20 to 25 knots, becoming southeast 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 8 feet. Isolated showers through the day. More detailed information is available on our webpage at weather.gov/Hawaii. Issued at 3:34 p.m. The surf forecast for Big Island windward and southeast. North-facing shores 5 to 7 feet this evening, then 4 to 6 feet in the early morning hours. 4 to 6 feet Monday. East-facing shores 3 to 5 feet through Monday. South-facing shores 2 to 4 feet this evening, then 3 to 5 feet in the early morning hours. 3 to 5 feet Monday. The surf forecast for Big Island leeward. West-facing shores 4 to 6 feet this evening, then 3 to 5 feet in the early morning hours. 3 to 5 feet Monday. South-facing shores 3 to 5 feet this evening, then 2 to 4 feet in the early morning hours. 2 to 4 feet Monday.